What do tiny I, t, or k subscripts mean? A subscript changes meaning on purpose, is not decoration. In x sub I, x names the family. I selects one item from it. Read x sub I as the idhx, one value from a row, without changing the whole family name around it. I, j, and k select items, and often gives the count. Their exact role comes from the surrounding formula. X sub t means exit time step t. It selects one snapshot from a sequence of states or measurements along the robot timeline. Exit time t plus 1 means the next state, one update after x sub t. The time index changes while x remains the same kind of state. Theta sub j selects a join angle. Theta sub 3 is joint 3. The same pattern lets one formula work for every join in the arm. Sensor sub I selects one sensor from the array without renaming the whole sensor family shown there. X sub k selects one vector component. The index chooses a position inside the vector. The base names the value type. The subscript selects item, time, or component. Read exit time t plus 1, theta sub j, and sensor sub I allowed. They mean next state, jth join angle, and IEH sensor. Do not multiply. Read the next time step.